You won't see this coming, an ultra easy and quick cake to make that's delicious. Hello?
Today we're going
With a recipe.
that never fails, a savory sandwich cake, but it's super easy to make.
Mayonnaise,
Ham,
cheese, and sandwich bread. With those 4 ingredients,
an amazing recipe.
look what I have here, a standard loaf pan. It would work perfectly for you, but you would have to line it with plastic wrap. If you have a removable bottom pan, use it directly. Use whichever one you have or prefer, but the assembly is the same. Look, place slices of sandwich bread. If you remove the crust, even better, or you can buy it crustless. That's up to you. You place it so it's nice and tight and make sure the whole base of the mold is covered with bread. If you have any small gaps, like I do, it's no problem. Cut a small piece and place it. The only important thing is to make sure it's well placed and everything is filled in. Because we're going to give it a layer with a good spoonful of mayo or mayonnaise. I never know how to say it. If you have a soft pastry spatula like I do, that's better, because you can press a little and it will compact and spread, leaving mayonnaise like this, but a thin layer. Then place it. We put some good slices of tasty cooked ham or deli ham. What do you call it? Well, honestly, I usually call it deli ham, but you can call it whatever you want. Same thing, cover it with a layer, then another layer of sliced cheese. What kind of cheese? Well, no problem, whichever one you like the most. And all you have to do is keep repeating the process. Layers of bread, ham, cheese, and mayonnaise until the mold is full. Finish with a thin layer of mayonnaise. Press it down well so it looks smooth and nice, and set it aside in the fridge or refrigerator for at least an hour for 2 reasons. 1, so the texture becomes compact, and 2, just as important, so it chills because this cake tastes much better chilled. After that time, you can take it out, decorate it, and enjoy. How are we going to do it? Well, in my case, I'm going to go for something simple but fresh. So I'm going to remove the mold, and if you made it in one of the others, you just flip it over and take off the plastic wrap. The thing is, you'll end up with little layers of bread, ham, cheese, and mayo like this. Look how good it looks. Well, you can serve it just like that, or you can add a bit of color. I like to put a little bit of grated carrot on top. Always add vegetables to give it an even fresher touch. And well, I'm going to place them in the center, so it forms a strip like this, a bit elegant. All right, that's enough. I'm also going to add a touch of lettuce around the edge, really fresh, and some diced tomato too, which tastes good and adds its own little touch. I top it off with some black olives to give it contrast and volume, and I think it's now perfect to bring to the table, so people will gape and say, "Oh my, that looks amazing." They won't expect that you can make something this delicious and so easily. Time to enjoy.
Look at how amazing this looks. You can decorate it however you like, and it always stays fresh. Add something salady, and you'll take it to the next level. Look at that cross-section. Look at that cross-section. Look inside and see how perfect the layers look. A cake.
Savory, amazing, and delicious. I hope so.
I hope you really liked the idea and that you dare to try making it. Of course, let me know later. And while we're at it, tell me, what other recipe do you make that's like this, just putting it together without cooking or anything? Tell me in the comments, and also where you're watching the video from, so we can travel the world through delicious recipes. And if you still want more,